Yes, folks, I'm almost finished doing some drywall sanding, using the sanding block, just a small sanding block. Did some taping, did some puttying, and waiting for most of it to dry, but some of it dry already. Cover the nail holes or the screw holes, get it ready for painting, and then we do some sanding here. Using a sanding block. Sanding. Yeah. So here we go. Doing some sanding, getting it ready for painting. All right, just doing my best. There you go. All right, trying to build this radio studio. SterlingBWorldwideradio.org.